Okay, I have an Abus 7240. It does work. It's not a key retaining lock, so it is locked up. This is bidding on the key. Angelo asked me to do a modification on this lock and then open it on video. So that's what we have with this lock. It hasn't been modified. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at the pins. Okay, let's see if we can use the bottom of the keyway. And let's use this Peterson gem. So let's start at the top of the lock, work our way to the back. Okay, I believe we set 2 or 3 pins then, but not sure, but we'll check them and see. Okay, I believe number 2, let's reset the tension wrench. Okay, number 6, there's 4, okay, a little bit on 2, a little bit on 1. See if we can get to the back of the lock again. Okay, there's a little bit on 5 then as we went by it. Okay, there's some on 3, I believe. Okay, let's see if we can try a different pick here, just a little bit different. Okay, let's try this little pick. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, let's open this lock up, take a look at the pins. These Abus 7240 locks are, you know, not too bad. Sometimes they can be. Let's see if we can get the clip off. Okay, let's lock it back up till we get the clip off. Okay. Okay, let's turn it 180 degrees. And let's see if we can get this out just like this. Just 1 second. Alright, let's see what we can do with it now. Okay, there's pin 6. Pin 5. Pin 4. Pin 3. Pin 2. And the spring. pin 1. Okay, there has not been any changes made to the plug or the Bible. There's no threading to it. The pins have been modified. Okay, all the pins are in and working. Okay, it's just a standard factory plug. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, we have a serrated key pin, a standard key pin, serrated key pin, a spool, a trampoline type pin, a serrated pin on 1, 2, and 3. Okay, on 4, 5, and 6, a serrated key pin, like a spool key pin, similar to a trampoline pin. This has got 4 serrations on it. This is a about 3 serrations on it. Okay, Angelo, that's that ABUS 7240 you asked me to do some modification on. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again. Thank you for the lock, Angelo.